Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. For all those who are new, be sure to subscribe to be notified for new upcoming content. I'm sure you will love the recipe that we are presenting in today's video, and it's Tofu Scramble. A super easy recipe that is done in about 5 minutes. The clock is ticking, guys, so let's get started. Thank you guys for watching, and I know you will love this recipe. Any questions or suggestions? Let us know down in the comments below, and see you next week. Cheers!